I I have no idea.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah, Prashant. And so this is the Linux and this is the Linux mission. This is the Linux and this is the Linux mission. Okay. So this is also a Linux mission. This is also a Linux mission. Okay. So this is also a Linux mission. Right. This is a Windows mission. Okay. Yeah. This is a Windows and this is a Windows mission. And this is a Windows mission. Okay. This is a Windows mission. Okay. So how we can connect Linux to Linux, guys? The Linux to Linux we can connect through the protocol called as a SSH. SSH is nothing but a secure shell. Secure shell. This is nothing but a RDP. RDP is nothing but a remote remote desktop protocol. Remote desktop protocol from RDP. We can connect through the RDP. This is a different platform, right? So we cannot connect. So how we can connect? So we can connect this by using SSH hyphen p port number 22 IP username at the rate IP addresses we can use. So this is the way we can connect the Linux servers. So Windows servers, how you can connect um, RTP. What is that? This is the remote desktop protocol. So in this remote desktop protocol, so we will provide the something like 192.168.56.103, right? So you can connect this way. This is connect. So this is the way you can connect the Windows servers. So how you can connect the Linux machine? You can connect the Linux machine by using SSH hyphen p port number 22 root at the rate 192.168.56.1. So 101. Same like we can connect the Linux by using SSH. So if it is a so this is the Linux. So in your data center. So in the data center. So your server is in the data center. So your data center is in Mumbai or something like Mumbai, and you are in Hyderabad, for example. So where you are in Hyderabad, Hyderabad, right? How we can connect? We can connect. So here, right? Windows is a different platform. So how we can connect the Linux machine? So we can connect the Linux machine through third-party softwares. What is that? Third-party software. So third-party softwares provide the that SSH access. What those are? Putty will provide the putty, super putty. Okay, super putty, MOBA Extreme. Okay, and M remote, M remote NG. Okay, so M remote NG. So we have a number of tools, guys. We have a number of tools. So what it will provide? Putty will provide the SSH access on the Windows machine. What this is, guys? This is nothing but a putty. What is that? New session putty. Okay. So what this is? Here you need to provide the IP address. So what they are providing? They are providing the SSH access. What is the port number? 22. Okay. They are providing the SSH access to the SSH access on the Windows machines. SSH access on the Windows machines. Is understood?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Right. So how we can connect our remote servers? We can connect the remote servers through third party tool. How we can install the third party tool, and so everything we'll discuss tomorrow. So I have a something like my team is pinging. I need to do a ad hoc deployment. Guys, does anyone knows what is ad hoc deployment?
I mean, bug deployment should definitely just be a deployment that wasn't planned, because usually you have a planned release windows for every deployment. Ad hoc one will probably be something that just maybe came up and then you have to just do it.
Yeah. So ad hoc is nothing but a hotfix deployment. Something on the production, something broken, we need to fix it as soon as possible. So that deployment or ad hoc deployment or a hotfix deployment. Okay. Prashant, understood?
Yeah.
Yeah. Guys,
So, Hari,
mm,
one doubt.
mm,
From Windows, using third-party softwares, we can connect and shell to
Linux machine.
Linux,
Mm.
but vice versa won't work, right? Linux
Now
will
we
not
have
have
a
any third.
X11 forward.
Okay.
So we have a X11 because of this is a CLI, right? This is CLI. For this CLI, we need to use the X11 forward and we can install the RDP tool and we can connect it. But that is a difficult. So most of the
Okay.
people will. So the real time, all the servers should be in the Linux only. Okay. So, but
Hmm.
how we can connect? Mostly our clients are using Windows only, right? So that's the reason
Yeah.
many number of tools are created. Many number of tools are created for the that Linux Connect SSH. These all are providing SSH only, secure shell. Okay.
Okay.
Yep, guys. So we'll continue from tomorrow. Thank you.
Okay.
Mhm. Thank you.
Thank you.
So you already installed your missions, right? So you got the
Yeah.
IP address. Which IP address you got it? So how you can check the IP address? You just execute the command IPA.
IF1.
If configure IPA, IPA also it will get the IP address. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.